A new story of a demon and a little girl. Once upon a time, a cheerful little girl named Yu lived in a small town. Yu loved adventure and was obsessed with playing with his friends every day. However, the demon Animaru living on the outskirts of the town was feared by humans and was treated as a villain by the townspeople. One day, when Yu was playing in the forest with his friends, he suddenly came across Onimil. My surprised friend ran away, but Yu became interested in it. Why are you scared? I asked. Although Onimil was confused, he talked about why he was hated by the people of the town. I was just lonely and wanted a friend. Yu heard the words and sympathized with Onimil. After that, Yu decided to become friends with Onimil. She took Onimil to town and said, "He's not a bad guy," and introduced it to everyone. Even the people of the town, who were scared at first, were moved by Yu's courage and learned about Onimil's gentle side. Yu and Animaru danced together at town festivals and shared food, and gradually the townspeople began to accept Animaru. Along with that, Onimil also began to create works of art that made use of his own personality and became a popular artist in town. And Yu became a bridge between the townspeople and Onimil, and their friendship deepened. In addition, the whole town was able to learn a wonderful lesson that demons and humans can understand each other. As time went by, Yu grew up and Onimil became an adult, but their friendship did not fade and became a wonderful old story that would always remain in the hearts of the people of the town. That's it.